I said try and keep the Liverpool accent up on tomorrow night.
I will. Ollie. I will.
It's Ollie's favourite. No, she does that and she does the Scottish accent pretty good.
I do Birmingham alright.
Go on then.
But I can only say a few words like a few things like, do you want to go for the Kulo, maybe? Tomorrow. I'm not that bad on accents, you know. I can't do it. I think. Do you think it was alright, that? I could add that into our audience with, you see. We could do an introduction, tea and biscuits. David could talk about his eBay empire. I could go on to do accents of the world. Then we could have a coffee break. And I don't know what we could do for the second half.
We just wheel us over on stage and talk shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I know that you're and I want to you took it to my heart. Go, go, go.